Hope you can hear me, this car's noisy. I full on expect to not find a thing today.
Backward bitter rocks.
You never know, they advertise what they think will bring people in. It's the closest auction to home, so that's why I'm going to it. So I haven't had a video out in a while. I've had a lot going on. If you don't know, I have a heart surgery coming up. I was supposed to have it a couple weeks ago. It got postponed. I just found out 2 days ago that I will be getting laid off from my job 1 year from now. My position will be eliminated. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I try to go full-time reselling at 52 years old? I'm not eligible to retire yet. Okay, on my way to Dodgeville, Wisconsin. It's a gloomy day. It's very cold. Colder than it looks, but typical for end of October. Giddy up. Looks like it's in a shelter at least. I doubt if it's heated, but at least we're not directly in the elements.
Oh my gosh, yes. You can tell it's always got that black.
Almost game time. So it's been a week since I bought this stuff. It's been marinating in the car ever since then.
It seems like longer than that.
Yeah, it's been 1 week.
It looks like you're pointing down that way at the ground.
Prepare to be amazed. I don't even remember what I have.
And I don't know what you have, because I didn't go.
Box.
It's a nice size box.
It is. And so that makes it a successful purchase, right?
Sure.
Here's some kind of rack.
What is that?
I don't know. And here's another some kind of rack.
Okay.
This one could be for wine bottles or something.
What are your plans for those?
I have no plans. They were in the tote.
So there were donations?
Sure.
Okay.
What should I do with them?
Just leave them in here. You can drop them off.
Neat. I gotta set it out for now. He's gonna knock them over and get all twisted up in it. This is gonna be short and sweet. These will sell by themselves, little VHS-C cassettes.
Oh, they're brand new.
Yeah. Some of them, well, it looks like there's one open one, the rest are unopened. This has VHS in it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what all's in here. I thought it was just VHS. We may need to investigate. Look at it. It's got this. Do not discard. Well, gotta keep that now. Hold on. Marcy found some napkins in there. I think someone just emptied their junk drawer.
Oh, good.
There's VHS, blank ones. What is this? Doorknob wall shield. Okay. VHS. Prenatal yoga. That sounds fun. Oh my gosh. This is a junk drawer lot. Paint! But there's brand new batteries. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. Is that for hanging stuff on the wall?
No, I think that's clay.
Oh, it's like soft.
Yeah, I think so.
Like clay?
Yeah.
That's a dumb thing to say.
No, I remember like when we were kids in art class and they'd bring out the...
I do know.
Yeah, I think that's what that is.
I got a Hot Wheel. Or a Matchbox. Alright. Let's do it fun way. There's a Clockwork Orange postcard.
What the heck?
I didn't know there was such a thing. Is this vice grip? You always need that. So, yeah, that was a junk drawer. Oh, there's another car.
2006.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's some remotes in here. Different size cassettes.
I'd be curious to find out what's on those.
Let's see, I got a Agatha Christie book, The Mysterious Affair at Styles. Oh, what this is. Oh, it's by Robert Ludlum. The books were free.
They were?
Yeah, well, they couldn't sell them. One guy ended up buying the whole huge lot.
He took what he wanted and then
Yeah,
the rest.
and he's like, anybody wants any books? And he only took like 2 or 3 books. Okay, this was a lot I intentionally bought. It's, surprise, old playing cards. Look at this though, it's like a poker mat, I think.
I thought it was an apron.
Well, you would think with the straps.
We could play casino.
We could.
You got your little apron.
Strip casino. But there's a lot of cool old cards in here. Alright, so the books are free. There's another remote, maybe I can sell that. Another blank VHS. Cameras! Huh? Little JVC camera.
Nice.
I haven't looked. Oh no, it's a Panasonic. Sorry, there's JVC stuff in there too.
Oh.
Probably junior varsity stuff as well.
Ooh, varsity. What are you talking about?
Because I said JV.
Are you making a joke?
If I have to say I was making a joke, it's not a joke, is it? Anyway, I've had good luck selling these cameras. And it's got lots of cables and batteries and cassettes and everything. And cable.
Oh, God,
Mars. I got several lots of Fisher Price ones. They had lots of them for sale. I just bought the smaller ones.
I think we had that one before, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Because I remember that thing where they scooch along the top and fall down the hole. So I just bought a couple of the smaller ones.
Oh, I used to have this one.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's missing the door on it, the roof. The roof/door.
Yeah. Look at this guy in the little fireplace.
Yeah, it's cool. Super 8 camera movie light. I don't know what the heck this is for. It's made in Italy and it costs 32 bucks. All the little Fisher Price in here were a separate lot. I dumped a bunch of lots together.
It's pretty.
The total I spent was $20.
Yeah.
Even, exactly 20.
Oh.
And I got several lots. I was paying $1 and $2. A lot of little toys in here. There's some John Deere stuff. I got horses. I don't know if they're Breyers or anything.
These are broken.
That's all right.
He's broke. His tail is.
His tail, look at that. He's got a horse's ass.
Yeah.
He's not good. That's Fisher Price.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Leia.
There's Princess Leia. She's got a dirty dress and no shoes. But you can tell. I mean, that face is actually really good. That looks like Carrie Fisher to me.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how much value there is to that, but... Another horse.
Oh, My Little Pony.
Yeah, I got a handful of My Little Ponies. Ugh. My Little Filthy Pony. Lots of Fisher Price people, and... Oh, look at this one.
Oh, I've never seen that one before.
I bet he's old, because I don't think they'd make him today.
Well, no. I mean, all these are old. They don't make the...
True.
Because they're... You can choke on them.
Cool. I got a Woody. Mars.
I know, I heard you.
Okay. He can go with the horses.
Little Cabbage Patch.
Neat.
No, these are the ones that I see all the time.
Yeah.
I see her all the time.
And
And this one.
get the little couch. A lot of the little furniture pieces and whatnot.
Chair, bed.
That's just...
Hang outside by my boat.
That's sweet. Got a few Hot Wheels and whatnot.
Oh, yeah. That's from something.
It's a little campfire looking thing.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Ernie! Hello. Hey. Dog. Chewy.
Dog.
Dog.
I thought I saw...
Dummy.
Look at the dog. You remember the dog?
Yeah.
He's missing those
Ears. So it was a quick haul. It was short and sweet. I only spent 20 bucks. I got
some fries.
Got some fries with that shake. I don't know. I think I did okay. Oh, I got Marcy's Christmas gift. Look at it. It's a cheerleader one.
Oh, good.
I knew you'd be excited.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's broken. Jeez, it sounded like he was peeing in there. Hey, Chewy.
Just checking everything out.
Get out of my car.
Choo-choo!
Alright, I guess we're done. Have a good one. Wish me luck on my surgery. Now I'm recording.
Good.
Because it's... Hopefully my car doesn't overheat. My car's overheating. I don't know what's going on.
Blah, 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 blah.